We are making white pepper gravy today. And this is perfect for soft biscuits. And this is perfect for your favorite steak. Let's get started. To begin, we are melting our butter. After we melt our butter, we are going to add in our flour. Continue to mix until no lumps are visible. After you've mixed your flour and your butter in, then it's time to add in the milk. Slowly add in the milk and continue whisking so that the flour do not lump on you. We are creating a roux. Next, you want to season it with your salt, white pepper, vegetable bouillon, and we are also adding in 1 bay leaf. Cover after stirring. Let it simmer. Continue to stir so that it does not stick to the bottom of the pan. And once you are done stirring, cover again and allow it to simmer. Now that your gravy is completely thickened and ready for you to serve for breakfast or brunch, pour it in a container and serve it with your favorite breakfast steak and biscuits. You can have this for lunch, dinner, or breakfast. Enjoy your meal. Guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for being here with us and being part of our community. We will see you on the next video.